I'm trying to trace my eyebrows. It's not easy. I don't like myself right now.
Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today Betty is going to follow a Jeffree Star makeup tutorial. I'll be here helping him pick up the products, but he'll be the one who's running the show. So let's do this.
It goes without saying that these are not my makeup products, so the colors will be a little bit off, but we're going to try our best. So we're going to be doing Jeffree Star's Going to My Ex's Funeral style. Here's the first step. Wash your face and put on some moisturizer, right? And you should do that before any of these things. That much I know.
Nicole used this primer on set the other day. It worked pretty great, huh? It did, yeah. It's amazing.
Whatever primer he has is different than this. We're using Too Faced primer here. We're using Too Faced foundation now. In the video, they just put it on the back of the hand and then use this brush to get it. So I'm going to do that too. Do you think one pump is enough? Okay, let's do it. I'm just going to take some and brush it on, I guess. Oh god, this looks really bad already. Oh look. I don't normally look at my face this closely. Didn't even realize I had a zip there. Jeffree would be proud, I'm sure. Next.
Guys, we're gonna go and start highlighting with this one of my new favorites, the Shape Tape from Star.
Everything.
We're gonna use this to do the highlights. It's a double wear. I'm only gonna wear once though. Okay, so now I'm gonna use this sponge to blend it out, I guess. And it's gonna look totally different from his thing because the colors. I don't think it worked, frankly. The highlight, I don't look like that yet.
You don't look like me.
Okay.
I
love that. She's very well used.
Yes, she is.
Next, we're gonna try to contour using this. I don't really understand the process of what he was doing, but it looked like he did something up here. Right? And then I'll do this over here again. And something on my cheekbones. I guess. There. Oh my gosh.
This is what I'm gonna use.
The powder.
By the mare.
So, now I'm going to use powder to do something, powder it. They didn't explain why, so here we go. Doesn't help that I can't really see myself because I need both hands for this. Wish I had the third hands. Okay. Doesn't even look like it's doing much. It's not supposed to be visible? Well, good. We might as well skip saying the part about being a Jeffree Star video, because this is going to be nothing like his thing. All that contouring and whatever else, we're faking it big time. Doing the best with what I've got here. Okay.
Like my contour, I use the Lorac contour book.
Apparently the next step is to contour again, even though we did that before the powder. Don't understand what I'm doing or why, but here we go. Seems like he roughly did something like this. Just a hard edge under the cheekbone. What does that look like? Beautiful. Okay, next.
And that extremely pink
I
pot.
know, I know.
So the next step is something called eyeshadow primer, apparently. They use so many words that I don't know, that I couldn't even tell you which part of it was the name of the product. He also said a little synthetic. Is it a synthetic primer? I don't know what that means. But we're gonna skip it because I don't have anything for that. The next thing is the eyebrows, apparently. It looks like he doesn't have any eyebrows to begin with. He must be taking them off entirely or something, but I clearly have eyebrows, so we're just gonna do our best to trace them in a way that he might if he had some. Give it a shot. Oh god. Oh god. This is the part where it's really easy to make a very visible, I think. Oh god. Is that what an eyebrow looks like? My eyebrows seem bigger than I would have guessed. I never looked at them so closely before. Oh god. This can't be right. Now I have to fill it in, right? This is so much darker than my eyebrow normally is, so it's really dramatic. Look like a cartoon character. Too late. I gotta match it now. I don't want to be uneven.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm trying to trace my eyebrows. It's not easy. I don't like myself right now. This is not my best self. I should have done it his way, just shave off the eyebrows and start from scratch. Maybe that would have been easier. This one's way bigger than this one now. How do I fix it?
Make that one bigger.
That sounds like a recipe for disaster. Just keep making them bigger back and forth until they match? No, I don't think so. See, my skin is moving. If it were like drawing on paper and the paper just stayed flat as you're drawing on it, it might be a little bit easier, but I didn't. And as soon as I start pushing on my skin, the skin folds in on itself and I lose track of what I'm doing. Okay. What next? Do I do something more to this? Because it doesn't feel finished. But he's done a whole different thing.
Just fill them with this again.
With this?
Yeah,
more
fill.
of this?
Yeah.
Doesn't seem to want to fill. I swear my eyebrows don't actually look like this, but somehow when I was drawing them it felt right to make them so big. Now I have I'm gonna have self-esteem issues. Are my eyebrows too small? If they don't look like this? What are eyebrows supposed to look like? I've never even asked that question before. What are eyebrows supposed to look like? And now it's all I care about. I look like Groucho bleeping Marx.
While Nicole's doing the brow, I just looked back on my channel, and 3 years ago, you guys, Nicole did a pink skull bandana Halloween mask on me, which was one of my most liked.
Because these eyebrows aren't dramatic enough, I need to accentuate them using some sort of highlighter product thing, which again, we don't really have, so I'm faking it. His eyebrows go up, mine come down. I've done this all wrong, and now I have to pay the price. Oh dear. See, she just drew a straight line, but with this product, I don't think I can do that.
Take less product now.
You just put the product in, and then it comes out with as much as it is going to have. I don't know how to take less product. Oh, I can wipe it off on here.
Yeah.
Well, that's not going to do me any good now, because I'm already totally beautiful. I'm too beautiful. I've gone past beauty into the next level of whatever beautiful can be. What's next?
Blend it, na?
Blend it?
Yeah.
You didn't blend it. Blend it with what? Into what? Blend it where? Oh, we wanted to see the lines. But we were putting highlights in so that we could highlight the lines. Oh god, it's in my eyebrow now. And my eyebrow's highlighted. I feel like I should fill in my beard like I did my eyebrows too. Might as well at this point. More highlights, because there weren't enough highlights. This is, this doesn't look the same. I can't even... See, they're putting white makeup on a white guy, and I'm putting brown makeup on a white guy, so it's hard to even, like, pretend like I can follow exactly what we're seeing in that video. Oh. Don't scratch your nose. Okay. Next. Next, we're going for some reddish orangish color to try and get the crease, whatever that is. I guess it's under here. I get the feeling that she's using his eyebrows as a reference guide, and my eyebrows are totally screwed. So it's hard to reference anything from that point. But here we go. And I want to really make this dramatic because I'm going to a funeral after all. Where causing the scene is obviously the intention. Awesome. Next.
Client's vivid bright.
Good.
Why is my jaw doing it? Why is that my instinct? I can really feel the self-esteem. You know, this really makes me feel fierce. Like a... I don't know. Like a... Oh god. I feel less fierce now. Now I don't even know what I'm doing, but they did something sort of like this. So, I'm doing it too. How was that for an explanation? Next up, beauty school. I need it to be dramatic. Oh, gosh. That is sparkly. Sparkle, sparkle.
I've never
It's just
tried
really
it.
good. Doesn't smudge. It looks amazing.
Next up is mascara. Mascara. I don't even know how this could be any easier. It looks all clumpy and gross. Shouldn't it be beautiful and...
Your eyes look really pretty, you know?
Yeah, thank you.
Like with mascara.
Mm.
Like, seriously, they're looking really nice.
Next step is to put on some false lashes, which, having just done all this on my eyelashes already, feels redundant. Like, how could you possibly want to add more to this? I've arrived. This is peak eyelash. We're moving on. So since we're skipping the false eyelashes, we're going straight into some eyeliner. This is from Artistry. This is a really fast way to ruin your entire project if you don't know what you're doing. So next is the blush. So I'm just gonna grab some and brush it on. I don't know, is that good enough?
And my favorite time of the day, time of
Highlight.
fucking highlight.
Oh my god. I look like so much right now. I guess you just wipe it on there until you run out of will to live. Got some on the nose. And then what? Under here again. More stuff on the underside of this goddamn eyebrow. So many times I've gone in with this highlighter on the underside of the eyebrow. It's like baffling to me that it could even be any more highlighted. Next, last step, hopefully, I think, is applying some lipstick. This is just a nude color. I don't even know how to do this.
Just apply on your lips.
Yeah, just apply on your lips. Just apply. Your lips are such a weird shape. I could apply, and you know, you always say just apply, but like how much to apply? Am I gonna go way overboard like my eyebrows? Oh, just apply on your eyebrows. You made it sound so easy then, but look where we are now. It's got highlighter on my lip too. I don't even know what to do. And I like lip balm. I have to trace the shape of my mouth. Lip balm, I just get it everywhere. I just wipe it all over my face. You wouldn't even know. Lipstick. It's a little trick that I learned in theater, I think. Someone taught me to, when you're doing your makeup, you do your lips, you have to like suck on your finger so that the lipstick on the inside of your lips doesn't get all over your teeth. Take that one to the bank.
Here's the final look. What do you feel?
Thanks, Jeffree Star. I feel like I'm ready for a funeral.
If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you soon in my next video.
And I won't.
Bye bye.
Bye forever.